This road is supposed to be MDR 10 according to the plan. MDR 10. And then during that time when the initial work was started, people's lands were acquired, compound walls were broken, and all these trees, which are heritage trees of more than 200 years old, were cut illegally with a license that lapsed a year ago. Now if you see the state of the road, it's completely waterlogged, it is dangerous, and that is why all these people are over here.
तलाव मोठा आहे. आता तलाव 500-1,500 रुपये आपण यात आहे की त्या ही डेव्हलपमेंट
म्हणतात एकामेकाला सांगितलं काय
चले बाबा रोड वाइडनिंग झाला आहे. Who has done this road widening? They are saying we are not responsible for this. Today the PWD is not responsible for this. Then who is responsible? Can anyone do anybody? तुझ्या बाटान तुका कोणाने दुसऱ्याने येऊन किती काम करपा जाता? Nobody can do that. So there is somebody responsible for this mess. I would request we have to file a case on these people whoever has done this.
नाचवान घेऊन इस्कॉला वयता उदर कोही वयता उदकांतल्यान they don't know where is the drain when the water is getting filled. तुमचे ड्रेनूच ना गो सर. Can anybody show where is the drain? There is no drain at all. उदी घेऊन वयताले डेफिनेटली रोड मागीर पिड्यार जातलोच न्हू. बेश्टेर रस्ते पिड्यार जायना. आदी रस्ते नासले गोंया आतां जात.
It's a health hazard. The water is stinking. What about the health of the people? Children have to cross these puddles and go. When it rains, this is all waterlogged. Where are the drains besides the road? We don't want those narrow drains and just 1 feet deep. It needs to be wide enough, deep enough so that the water flows. This has been happening for almost 3-4 monsoons that we have been watching over here. Every house is waterlogged. People cannot come out. Students have to cross through these roads. What about the health?
This road was constructed for development. They wanted to expand the road, okay, without anybody's permission. No villagers have asked them to expand this road. We didn't want this road first and foremost. We just want the basic roads which are safe. We don't want development where immense corruption is there. The level of corruption for this road, I think it is one cannot calculate. These major projects are only initiated for pockets to be filled. The motive is not expansion or not development. The motive is
prone zone. हांगा ह्या 200 मीटर रेडियस जो आसा हातून पयलींच आमच्या शिवोलचे 2 भुरगे मेल्ले आसा खूब वर्सां पयलीं. सो आनी हो जो रोड पयलीं आशिल्लो पळय आमच्या अमृत बाबान सांगिल्ले तेन्ना अशोक साळगांवकारान रोड केल्लो तेन्ना 20 वर्सां हो रोड कांयच जावंक नासलो. आमचे शिवोलचे रोड लोक बाकीच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतले येवन पळयताले आनी सगळ्यांक सांगताले. पूण आतां अशी परिस्थिती जाला की फोंड्या गेलो जाल्यार रोड सारको चकच पावसान रोड करता पूण कांयच जायना. पूण ह्या रोडाक कितें करपाचें तें आमकां कळना. अशे जे रोड आसता पळय ताका गव्हर्मेंट एक्चुअली 5 वर्सां PWD वॉरंटी दिता आनी जो कोण रोड बांदपी आसा पळय ताची जबाबदारी आसता ती रिपेर करपाची.
Watch on Herald TV.